If I'm in a gorgeous location and I get some sweet drone footage, like baller. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. But I'm also gonna vlog me eating my breakfast in my front seat with the air conditioning blasting because I'm about to pass out from heat stroke. Okay.
Hi, I'm MontanaDanna, and in today's episode of Girl vs. Van, I put on my fake lashes, put on my fake nails, curl my fake hair, but at least my rocks are real, if you know what I'm saying.
Good morning from the Cracker Barrel parking lot here in St. George. Some mornings I wake up to this. And some mornings I wake up to this. It's all good though, it's not half bad. So I've been on the road about 30 days and I've parked in front of friends' houses for the most part. Today kind of marks the beginning of my actual journey, going out on my own.
Cut to later that night when I stay the night in front of my good friend April's house.
Thankfully I met some people at VanFest, so I'm gonna meet up with them later, but just gonna do daily vlogs for a while, see how it goes. I know there's a bike path nearby that I absolutely love. Today I'm gonna get my favorite coffee from St. George and my favorite healthy meal before I take off. I might head to Bryce Canyon. I went from having very little options of places to go to having like way too many options because I met a bunch of people at VanFest. They all kind of went different ways. So I can go to Bryce, I can go to Moab, I can go to these like hot springs up the 15. Some people are in Colorado. Some people are actually heading to the West Coast in LA and driving up the coast. So I'm gonna do a combination of some of those. So I have to decide where I'm going today, but I hope you'll come along with me. Just going where the day takes us. Out of all the fancy Americanos I've tried, I love beans and brews. It's my favorite. I'm actually next to the apartments I used to live in here in St. George. I'm gonna go take a walk on this path, do my little Java walk. It's my favorite thing in the morning. Gonna stretch out the bod, get in the right mindset. Best way to start my day.
Today's Java Walk is sponsored by Bridget Cody. Thanks for supporting the channel, girl. I appreciate you. If you want to sponsor a coffee walk or sign up for my workout program or get some downloads of my new music, check out my Patreon. There is a link down in the description. I'm not gonna lie, since I moved out of St. George, I have been missing the bike paths. The whole point of doing this adventure is to figure out where I want to move next, but who knows, maybe I'll end up back in St. George. And my other goal is to find love, which sounds super duper cheesy. And traveling from one town to the next is probably not the best way to do that, but I'm just going with my intuition. That's all I got, but definitely loving me some St. George bike paths.
All right, I got my walk in, got in a good positive state. Now I'm gonna get ready, but also we need to scrub up Mac a little bit. Get her ready for her big photo shoot. Today I'm filming my van tour video. I built this baby in 7 days. I've made a few modifications since, but filming that today, so we gotta get her all squeaky clean.
Speaking of my favorite bike paths, while I'm in St. George, definitely whipping out the rollerblades every day. I've been using the Strava app and trying to push 15 miles per hour on my rollerblades. It's very difficult to do. It's very strenuous, but it's a really, really good workout. Those booty cheeks be poppin'.
Went on an epic rollerblading sesh, bro. Yeah, it is really hot out here, so it's definitely in need of a shower. Definitely need a shower. So I found a place to shower for $3. It's the St. George Rec Center. You go in, you shoot some hoops, you shower your body. It's pretty simple. Woo! It's hot out today. Okay, so one thing I'm not going to do is glamorize van life, because I think a lot of people do that. I'm like experimenting what this whole lifestyle really is. I'm gonna show you the good, the bad, and the ugly, because that's what I would want to see. I mean, I like pretty videos. I'm gonna make some of those too. If I'm in a gorgeous location and I get some sweet drone footage, like baller. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. But I'm also gonna vlog me eating my breakfast in my front seat with the air conditioning blasting because I'm about to pass out from heat stroke. Okay. I got toasted coconut granola from Trader Joe's. Get yourself some. Lemon yogurt. Too good. Brand. Get yourself some. Just gonna dump some granola in here, spoon it up, put it in my body. I mean, this is sometimes my breakfast. Oh yeah. Bacon, egg, salmon, avocado. But usually it's this. Driving and eating granola in a cup. So I think I'm getting the hang of this van life thing. It's been so hot while I teach lessons in the van. So first things first, finding a shady area. We've got 4 bars right here, so we should be good to go. I'm heading in for a shower. I just have a box with all my shower stuff, so I can just pull it out. Super duper easy. Bring this in with me. Got everything I need. Got some soap, shampoo, conditioner, shave cream, lotion, face serum, purple shampoo, all of the goods. Too many dicks on the dance floor over here.
I like this place. They even provide towels, makes it super easy. I mean, this is the type of place you definitely wear your sandals on the floor because you just don't know. You just don't know what's down there. Water pressure, it's so-so, but it's better than no shower. I've been very concerned about oral hygiene while living in the van, and I'm happy to say I think I brush my teeth more often on the road because I carry this handy dandy little toothbrush bag around with me all the time, brush my teeth. Been doing it 3 times a day. The gums are bleeding, we're happy, we're cruising, taking care of our oral health.
All right, all did up and ready for the day. I'm going to this place called 25 Main because I have some editing to do and I have a gift certificate for $25. Want to use that up before I leave St. George for sure. I totally planned on recording my videos right now, but it is like 90 degrees and so freaking hot. So I'm just gonna go sit in the AC and do some editing. This is van life. Hashtag van life. I'm planning on going to Bryce Canyon or Moab, or maybe both. We'll see. Just getting ready in the morning sometimes takes a couple hours because I have to drive and find a shower. Last weekend I stayed in Stowe Canyon at a campsite and it was $35. I can't do that every night. It's like $900 in rent if I did that every night. So Cracker Barrel parking lot it is. Was delicious and I'm heading to my spot to film, but I just saw this Dixie Fossils and Rocks. I have to stop in. I'm looking for a rose quartz. I have all these stones and I kind of have a meaning for each one. I need one for like love and finding your person, your soulmate. So let's go look at some pretty shit.
So I'll do $2 on that.
Citrine. Oh, thank you. Citrine. How do you spell it? With an S or C?
C-I-T-R-I-N-E.
Oh, C. Rose quartz. This is the honey.
Honey, that's the Utah stone. This is cool.
I like that one.
Did you get that in the...
It was on the corner up there.
That's awesome.
Isn't it pretty?
Like the firelight, yeah. Are you ready?
I think so. Whew! The thing about St. George that I'm not digging right now is it's really hot. It's like 90, 95 degrees, something like that. But got the car kind of cleaned. Gonna film in the morning. It's literally just too hot to do anything in my van right now. I've just been driving around with the AC on. I don't really know what to do with myself. So I'm gonna go hang with my friend April for a little bit tonight and then just go somewhere with air conditioning and then get out of St. George tomorrow because it's just too hot to survive here. I'll film in the morning and then probably head up to Bryce Canyon. I have to see where some of the van lifers are these days because I think they headed up to like Moab area. Some of them are in Flagstaff. I don't know. We'll see. I really want to go to Sedona, so we'll see. But tomorrow will probably be a big travel day, so I don't know if I'm gonna vlog too much, but I'll share my other adventures with you guys. So I'm just on my way to take some stuff to Deseret Industries. It's the Goodwill here. But this morning I drove past a hospital and I saw that the prickly pear were blooming and I need to get in some stuff. So I'm just walking around here. Gonna take some photos. I mean, come on. Come on. It's so pretty. It's my day off, so I'm just taking my sweet ass time. There's even some orange ones. Holy crap. Yeah, these are the ones I drove past this morning. They're so pretty. Okay, I've lived here 2 years and I had no idea this was here by the hospital. But they have like little title cards for all these things. Chocolate flower, butterfly milkweed, pomegranate grove. Apparently you're gonna get bit by a rattlesnake if you go off this designated area. Scare tactics. Scare tactics. It worked. I've been wondering what this is. I see this everywhere. That's not a very healthy one, but Apache plume. Okay, cool. Oh, is this the thing I smelled earlier? Oh my God. If you guys can find some honeysuckle near you, I think this is honeysuckle. It smells like it. Stick your face in it. You won't regret it. I'm going off the path. I'm doing it. I think this is the thing I smelled earlier. And I thought it was honeysuckle, like a purple variety, but it is burgundy desert willow. Shit, that's fresh. It's kind of fun to be a tourist in my own city. I had no idea this was here. Cool. The Last Ring Sculpture and Labyrinth. Okay. Digging it. All right, I got rid of my base and a couple baskets. Getting Mac ready for her big screen debut. Getting ready for the day. I stayed in front of my friend April's house last night.
Is that a special brush? Because I want to get a brush, but I don't want just all
It's
plasticky.
supposed to massage your scalp.
So it probably is some kind of special.
Yeah, I got it at Whole Foods, I think.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's probably like organic and
Right.
all that.
Organic brush.
Yeah, organic. I only brush my hair with organic.
Yeah.
She's so sweet. I met her here in St. George. I just adore her. So we got a chance to visit and catch up last night, but I'm just getting ready in front of her house. It's really pretty here. It's really hot in St. George, but they have this gigantic tree, so it's kind of giving me a little shade, a little bit of a breeze, but this is how I get ready in the morning. I have my curling iron and I just plug it into one of my jackeries. I usually plug it into this one, but it's on 3% right now, so I have to charge that one. So just plugging in here. I don't know, I'm like going full hippie mode. I like to set these up in the morning. They just make me happy. They're pretty. I hang up my macrame mirror over here. I used to get ready in front of that mirror, but when I'm in bed mode, it's kind of hard to get through here. So made some coffee. Yeah, I just sit here and do my makeup. I went in and took a shower this morning, so I have my shower bin. And then this is all my other stuff that I get ready with, like mouthwash, makeup remover stuff, face cream, mouthwash, face wash, sunscreen, deodorant, all the good stuff. I'm loving this face serum. This is like an Instagram thing. It's like an ad that popped up. I'm like, I'll try it. I actually really like this. They've got all these serums, not sponsored. I just actually like it. And then last night I did a face mask and I think it actually like made my skin way more smooth. Not roughing it by any means. I've got my toothbrush in here and usually, oh, I'm gonna put these on today. All my lash stuff, so I can brush my teeth. I also have a toothbrush in my backpack at all times because I like to brush my teeth when I do my shower. And then I have a little perfume thing in there, a little poopery stuff, tampon, you know, you get it. So I usually do that when I do my shower, but sometimes I do it in the van. And then check this out, nails for days. Actually, I kind of want to do my nails today. These are more face mask things. I did those last night. I feel super fresh, super rejuvenated. Look how pretty these are in the sun though. I'm obsessed. Obsessed. I don't know if I believe in the healing energy of these, but I've been giving each one a little meaning. This one's for love, this one's for abundance, this one's for friendship. I just kind of like attaching a meaning to them, and when I look at them it makes me happy, so why not? I don't always curl my hair, but I'm filming today, so curling my hair, plugged into the jackery, putting all the makeup on.
So today's vlog was super random, I'm aware. But check back tomorrow. There's lots of tomfoolery, lots of fun. And then I start my actual travels and get back into the mode of vlogging every day. So yeah, thank you guys for joining me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, share it with your friends. And if you made it to the end of the video, write down the word tomfoolery in the comments. And I want to know who's been with me since the tomfoolery days. Does anyone remember that? All right, guys, see you tomorrow.